Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Discounts and coupons. Your objective for this video is, as a student, you should be able to calculate the cost of a discount or a coupon. Now, this is a little bit different than your last video where we talked about taxes, tips, and fees, because these things actually reduce your total bill. So when I mean reduce, that means we're going to subtract it from the total price, okay? These are pretty cool. These are things you should always look for before you purchase anything, and as adults, your parents probably do the same thing. You never want to pay full price, okay? So that being said, we're going to get started. Here's a couple things you need to remember, okay? We do not want to get confused because a lot of our students always do. Things that increase your total price, okay? So when you go out to buy something, things that increase your total price are taxes, tips, fees, and also things we call markups, which we did not talk in the last video. Things that decrease your total price are discounts, coupons, markdowns, or reductions. All of those things will reduce the amount of money that you have to pay. We're going to talk about those things, yes, those things on the right-hand side in this video. We're going to get started, okay? When we calculate discounts and coupons, we're going to set up the percent proportion. Congratulations. Remember that is over of equals percent over 100, or part over base equals percent over 100. Same thing. You're going to cross multiply and divide. And finally, for this one, you're going to subtract the amount from the original price. So we're going to get started. Here's example number 1. The price of a motorbike is $1,500. How much do you need to pay if you get a 10% discount? So there's a couple things in here. This is a two-step problem. It is not asking you how much the discount is. It wants to know the price after the discount. So we're going to go ahead and do step number 1, which is set up the percent proportion. Okay, the total bill is R of. Okay, we also call that the base. That's the base price, the normal price that you would have to pay, which is $1,500. Okay, and we're going to get a discount of 10%, so 10% off, and we're going to do that over 100 like always. Let's figure out how much our discount is. You would simply do 1,500 times 10, which would give us 15,000. We're going to go ahead and divide that by 100, and we're going to get a discount of $150. Unfortunately, we are not done because it wants to know what the price is that you must pay. So you need to take that $1,500 and subtract the 150, and if you do that, you will get a total price of $1,350, and that's simply all you would do. Let's go ahead and look at example number 2. Okay, before we get to example number 2, you want to get worksheet number 9. This is side 1. We're going to give you some free answers. Remember, your objective is, as a student, you should be able to calculate the cost of a discount or coupon. Congratulations. Here we go. Example number 2. In a clothing store, a shirt that sells for $15 is marked 10% off. What is the discount and what is the sale price of the shirt? So this one is going to ask us two questions. What is the discount and what is the sale price? So we're going to have to do both of those things. All right, first of all, we know it's a $15 shirt. So that's our base price. So we're going to put that at the bottom, the $15. Okay, we're going to get a 10% off just like the last question. So that's pretty easy, 10% off. Okay, and that 10% is always out of 100 because percents are always out of 100. And we want to find out what the discount is. So 10 times 15 is 150, and you divide that by 100, and honestly, you get $1.50. Now that is the cost of our discount. So we have a $1.50 discount. Okay, and you could use your calculator for that, but I didn't need it because I could do that in my head. Now, we want to also know what the sale price is. So we need to take our $15, and we want to subtract $1.50, which, remember, we would need to line up our decimal points. When the decimal's not in sight, it's on the right. Okay, go ahead and put it like that. We're going to subtract. We're going to borrow from the 5 and make it a 4, and there would be a 10, and here we go. 10 minus 5 is 5. Bring our decimal point down. 4 minus 1 is 3, and 1. Your answer would be $13.50 sale price. Congratulations. There you go. Example number 1. All right, we also have another example. This is on the back side of your page. This example, all right, it says the price of a pair of jeans is $25. If there is a 15% discount, what is the sale price? The sales price does not mean how much the discount is worth. It means what is the final price. So we still need to do the same steps, but we only need one answer. So the sale price, or the normal price, I take that back, is $25. So we need to use $25. And let's do that at the top in the white where we can see it. So $25. All right, we know that we are going to get 15% off, and that's out of 100. And we want to know what the sale or what the discount is, so we need to put that at the top. We would do 25 times 15, which gives us 375, and we're going to divide that by 100. 375 divided by 100 is going to give us $3.75. But that is not the answer that we want. That is just how much the discount is worth. In order to find out the actual sale price of the jeans, we need to subtract. So we have $25, and we're going to subtract $3.75. Remember to line up your decimal points. Go ahead and borrow. That 5 becomes a 4, 9, and 10. Sorry, you can't see it. 5, 2, 1, and 2. The answer is $21.25. That is the total sale price. So, congratulations, you saved $3.75. Awesome. All right, we have one more here. Okay, this is independent practice. I want you to try to do the same thing. Okay, it says Kylie wants to buy a Coach purse. There was a coupon for 30% off. If the handbag was $225.50, how much was the coupon worth and what was the sale price? Be very aware you need to answer two things in this particular question. Also, by the way, Kylie, that's a very expensive purse. Go ahead, pause the video, finish it, and then come back to me. Go. All right, and we're going to go ahead and give you the answer to this one. We're going to do 30% off. Okay, so our total price was $225.50, which is really expensive for a purse. That's ridiculous. We want to figure out what our 30% off would be. So we're going to put our percent over 100 at the top. Remember percent proportion. $225.50 times 30 would give us a big giant number of 6,765, and we're going to divide that by 100. Okay, which is going to give us a discount of $67.65, and that is our discount. Okay, so that's what our coupon is worth. Okay, it's a nice coupon. You're going to save $67.65 on the coupon. That is awesome. Although you're still spending way too much money on a purse. Now, it also wants to know what the sale price is, so we need to take that amount and we need to subtract it from $225.50. And if you would have done that, you would have set it up just like this. And instead of just showing it, I will just give you the simple answer, which is going to be a wonderful $157.85, and that is the total sale price. Ladies and gentlemen, that was independent practice. Now, here's the deal. You do have a final, okay? We do have a final exit ticket if it ever shows up on this video, which I hope it does, but once again, it's not seeming to work, so let's check it out. Let's see what's going on, and boom, exit ticket. There we go. Okay, exit ticket says, Goldie wanted to buy Bear a new chair after eating all of his porridge and breaking his chair. The chair was $84.25. She found an online coupon for 11% off. How much was the chair after the coupon? Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to get a sticky note from Mr. Williams. They are on his desk and maybe also on the bookshelf on the side, but I can't guarantee it. You need to go ahead and get one of those sticky notes. You need to do this question and give it to Mr. Williams. Also, when you get those sticky notes, if you are still, and I mean still listening to this video, if you give Mr. Williams a second sticky note with your name on it, you will be entered into a drawing for a wonderful homework pass. Only if you're still watching. Ladies and gentlemen, we're out.